Hello guys, hope you are doing good. எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? இந்த வீடியோ நீ தமிழ் பார்க்கணும்னு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனுக்கு லிங்க் செக் பண்ணுங்க. In this video, we are going to see how to compose a song. For this, we don't want to know how to write the lyrics, how to compose a music. Everything will take in care by the AI. For example, here is AI created song. Just hear and let me know in the comments how the song is. Then we will see how to compose a song using AI. Okay, now let's see how to create a song using AI. First we need lyrics. For that we are using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. I am asking lyrics for the Ponniyin Selvan. Write the lyrics for the story Ponniyin Selvan. Yeah, now it's generating lyrics. It is creating chords and words separately, and lyrics are seems to be relevant to the Ponniyin Selvan novel. So we can also ask to write lyrics by referring any famous stories, or we can also give some scenarios for that to generate lyrics for that. Example, I am asking the lyrics for love song based on Ponniyin Selvan novel. Let's see how relevant it can create. Write a love song for the story Ponniyin Selvan. Now it's writing a love song based on Ponniyin Selvan. Like Nandini, oh Nandini, the lyrics are really nice. It seems like it's describing the beauty of the character. Okay, now we can see how to create a song using those lyrics. Come to the website called Voice Mode and log into it. And then click on the tab called Text to Song. Then you will get a page like this. Here we have different kind of tunes for our song. We can play each and select as per our wish. Now when you try this, okay, choose different one. You can choose anything. I selected this song and click on next, and now we can select the voice. We can play and select suitable voice for our song and select this and click on next. Here we need to give the lyrics and copy it from ChatGPT and paste it. There is some limitation for words, so taking care of that. So I am creating song for each of the lyrics one by one, and finally I will merge all the lyrics. At this point it will take some time to mix our song with the lyrics and beats. It will take time, and then we will get this page. Here we can play our song and we can directly download it. Here is the option, we can download a song or also a lyrical video. I am downloading a video. My video got downloaded immediately, so I would like to play it. Let's see. That looks good, right? Like that I have created song for all the lyrics has gotten from ChatGPT and merged it together and created a complete song. And I also attaching the link in the description. Please check it out if you want to hear that. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you. Please do subscribe because the more useful videos are on the way. Be strong and stay motivated. See you next video. Bye.